What's up, everybody? It's your boy Mad Daddy, and today we're cracking open our Back to the Future NFT Redeemables. Maddie and I did manage to pull two. Oh no, did we only pull one? Oh, I don't even remember. I'll link the episode below though. I think we only pulled one, and then I managed to sell a bunch of stuff to get the second one? Is that what we did? Wow. Is that how it starts? Love this box. Repurpose it for something. But, alright. So, we ended up getting, this is George McFly. Nice spinny shot of him going. Very nice. One of 1900. Crispin Glover. Let's see if we can get him, hunt him down and get him to sign this. Alright. And to complete the set, we got Lorraine Baines in her prom dress. There you go. I know Leah Thompson is out and about signing, so definitely gonna get her going. 1900. Anyway, there you go. Very nice. Alright, everybody. I will drop below. If you're interested, check them out. I think the upcoming one, as I'm filming this Memorial Day weekend. The next drop is Scooby-Doo. I'm not sure if that happened or not. If it did, hopefully everybody did well and you checked out our episode. But alright. Always be hunting, and remember, no matter where you go, there you are. Alright, everybody. Until next episode, later. And even if that place is Back to the Future, just be careful what you do. You know, got to get your parents to dance, get them to dance, and then get out of there. Alright, later.